In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your page cannot be removed from business portfolio. If you've been finding it difficult to remove your page from business portfolio because the admin can't be removed, because you're the last admin, right? I'm going to be showing you how to fix the problem and as well remove that page from business portfolio. So make sure you watch this video to the end as I walk you through. If you know persons that are also having this issue, please make sure you share this video to them, okay? Page can be removed from business portfolio because there is no admin attached to the page. There should be an admin attached to the page. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to fix this issue of page can't be removed. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is to go to the Chrome browser, you tap to open. Then in the address bar, you type in business.facebook.com, then you tap to open. So once it opens, you're going to look for the business portfolio, okay? Because the page will not be seen under your profile. That is the truth. Any page that is in business portfolio will not be seen in the list of the pages you own, right? So because that page is under business portfolio, you're going to look for the business portfolio the page is under. So you go to this particular arrow, you tap. So here are the business portfolio I have. Okay, so I have a page that has that same issue of your page cannot be removed. So I'm going to use this tutorial to walk you through. So under this particular business portfolio, that is where the page is. What you're going to do is to look for the business portfolio, then you tap to open. The business portfolio is Ada LC Chibuzor Nwimo. I tap to open. So once it opens, this is the business portfolio here. I'm going to tap on it again. I go to this toolbox here, I tap. So once I tap, I go to pages. So this is the page, okay, under this particular business portfolio. And I have no admin here. I mistakenly removed myself. So you mistakenly removed yourself if you are also in this situation. No admin is attached to this page. So it has no option than to look for where to be safe, if I should put it that way. Let me tap on the page. So let me try to remove the page so that you see what I'm talking about. You go to these three horizontal dotted lines, you tap. So let's try to remove the page from business portfolio. Then you tap on remove from business portfolio. Tap on remove page. So you see page not removed. Before you can remove this page, please add at least one person with full control using the Facebook account. Then try to remove the page again, okay? So it cannot be removed because there is no person assigned to this page as an admin. So you need an admin to hold the page, right? So click on OK. So as you guys can see the prompt here also. So this page cannot be removed. There is no admin assigned to the page, like you mistakenly removed yourself from the page. So let's go back. Let me show you how to fix this. So go back. Now go to the particular business portfolio again. Go to the business portfolio icon, tap on it. Then tap on the gear icon of the business portfolio. So once it opens like this, you tap on this business portfolio here again. You go down here, you're going to see assign assets. You tap on it. Then you go here, you're going to see this box close to Ada Nwimo Naturals, which is the page. You tap on it. You go down to full control, okay, you turn it on. Then you go here, you tap on save. So when you tap on save, you tap on done. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to pages. You tap on pages. We're going to see the page here. Then we go to page access. One person assigned to this page. So Ada Nwimo Facebook page have been given access. So now with this, it can be easy for you to remove the page from business portfolio, right? So all you need to do is just to go here. Then you tap on this three horizontal line. Then you remove this page from business portfolio. Go to remove page from business portfolio. Remove from business portfolio, you tap. Then you go to remove page, you tap on remove page. Have you seen that this page has been removed from business portfolio? So that is how you can fix this problem. Okay, so just follow this process. That is how you can fix the problem. So the problem has been fixed. If you now go under my pages, you're going to see this page now. So once you refresh, you're going to see the page under your profile. Let's refresh. Go to this business portfolio profile, you tap. Then let's go to this arrow, you tap. So as you guys can see, I have my page here. Are you seeing this? I have my page here. So the page has been removed because of that particular procedure I showed you. Just follow this procedure and you're going to get everything right. Okay, hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more tips. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day and bye for now.